Hello everybody! Today we're doing something different. All the gyms closed. I wanted to get some workout at home and I don't have any equipment. I don't want to buy dumbbells from the store because the gym will reopen in months or two and I'm not gonna use them at home. So what I decided to spend really little amount of money and make the most of it. So I bought 4 of these containers in dollar store, one of these $1, so about 4 of them is $4. Second, the most important thing that I bought is concrete cement, $5.50 for 50 pounds of cement. Pre-mix everything, like you don't need to do anything with it, it's just add water, cement, mix it all up. Gonna stick this thing inside, wait for 24 hours, flip it around, wait another 24 hours and it should be done. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing on one example, and I hope you will find it interesting and useful, and maybe you can do something for yourself as well. Oh yeah, and I forgot, I also bought this in Home Depot as well. So I bought it, I chopped it, and so you decide for yourself how long do you want it to be. I made a mistake, as you can see, and I added a little something here to make it long enough you will have a good grip. Yeah, so this was my mistake. It will work. Approximately make a line, surround, and make a little hole right there. Cutting all these things around, put them down like that. Alright, it's not gonna be super aesthetically pleasing, but it will do the job. I forgot to mention, before we're gonna go ahead and do the concrete mix, we have to do little anchors for our pipe. Medium-sized nails from Home Depot. Again, it's like $1.75 for 25 of them, so it's a pretty good deal right here. We're gonna need 4 for every dumbbell. You can use hammer and make a holes with the hammer right here. I'm gonna try with a drill and see how a drill goes. So we're gonna drill it through right here. And I try to hold it, and I want to drill through my table. Alright, now we have to do the second hole. Alright, so first nail goes down here. Alright, that's gonna be our good anchor. So nothing gonna move there if it's even tries to. Alright, so the second will go there, but before that I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the water holes. Alright, so let's stick our anchors like that. One more thing, almost forgot. Before you do the second anchor, this is gonna be our bottom for now. Before you do the second anchor, you want to prepare, and the second bottle, you want to prepare the lid and put it down before you even starting messing with concrete. Just another way you won't be able to put it in. And this thing right here. Okay, so this is gonna go inside of this bottle. Same you're gonna have to do for the top. Alright, so now we can add our anchors. 1. You can do more if you want to, but I don't think it's necessary. The second one, like that. Alright, and it's gonna sit right here. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and do the concrete mix. I'm gonna take you out with me outside. It's been raining. I wanted to do all this stuff outside, but it's been raining like crazy for last months in San Diego. I'm gonna do a little bit of mess outside on the porch. So first we're gonna add a little bit of water and then start adding our mix and mix until we get to a certain consistency. So let's add some water, this much for now, and keep adding the concrete mix. So here's the mix. This is how it looks like. It has rocks, cement and sand, everything mixed already together. So now we're just gonna add spoon by spoon inside of the water. Yeah, and just keep adding and mixing until it gets hard. It's not that dirty. I might actually do the second and third and fourth inside of the apartment. Just have to be careful, you know. All over the place. Like, I thought to do it at the apartment, but no, I'm not gonna. That reminds me of milkshake with Oreo cookies. Yeah. That's what you want. Now we're gonna go in. The other thing we can do, we can add a little bit more cement over here and pour some water on top to make it a little bit more heavy even. It's about straight, as straight as you can get here. It got dark pretty quick, so this is so far what we got. So I put cement there with water. We got nails. I got second lead ready. So as soon as tomorrow this is gonna dry out, we're gonna flip it around and do exactly the same thing. It's all done. It's not so straight as I wanted to. Like, but it's alright. It will work. Alright, now I'm gonna place it against this wall. Something like that. And I'm gonna do the same with the second one. Alright, this is both of them. Now we're gonna have to wait about 24 hours. Wash them up. Fix the lids. If I can screw them in, that would be great. If not, it's fine. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Alright, so dumbbells are ready. It's been about 24 hours since I turned them around, and it looks like it's still a little bit wet inside, but I still can use it. It's sturdy. The lid, I could barely close it, so whenever you do, just make sure you cut a pretty big hole and don't punch the things inside like I did. So I basically just punched it in, and then when I tried to screw it in, all the cement inside didn't let me do the good job. So for next one, if I do it, I'm just gonna cut a straight hole over here around so it closes perfectly. But yeah, for now this is pretty acceptable for me for home for about months or so. Let's weigh this, guys. Alright. Okay, so this guy is 21 pounds and 56, and this guy is 21 pound and 74, so they're pretty much same. That's pretty good job I did over there. So yeah, this is all. The handle is pretty long, but it's alright. It works. 20 pounds is not so much, but for home, for a short period of time, all you have to do is just work out until the failure. You can do this, guys, right here. You can do shoulders exercise like that. Pretty much everything you want you can do with these dumbbells. 20-21 pounds is not so much, But hey, if you don't have anything, this is convenient. It's a good grab right here. You can do whatever you want with them. And it cost me like 15 bucks to make them. In the store I would probably spend 40. I mean, it's not a big difference, but hey, I didn't have much to do around home. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe for more videos. Hope that was useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.